Here is an example of Florio VR. When the devices are paired, the monitor can see the learner's view between these two green lines, as well as some of the area outside of the view of the learner. Banner language is delivered here to provide guidance to the monitor. In this lesson, the monitor has some simple controls used to direct the lesson. This learning card is called Emma is Pointing. In this lesson, the monitor is able to choose an animal. When the learner looks at the safari guide, Emma will point to that animal. The banner shows a speak icon when displaying suggested language that the monitor may say to the learner. The learner looks at the animal and a reward animation is activated along with a star particle effect and a reward chime. The Florio system allows us to capitalize on gaze fixation and deliver the stimulus only at the appropriate time. If a target animal is chosen, but the learner is not looking at Emma will call and wave to the learner. As soon as the learner looks at Emma, she points to the target animal, in this case, the parrot, who is on the tree in back of the learner.